Hello everyone, welcome back to our Air School stream. And today we are prepared for you a new task, new coffee shop task that uh, will help you finish your task. Especially speaking, Yulia has created this task, but I'll give you a microphone to our uh, main coordinator, Anna, and she will present you this task. Anna, the mic is yours.
Hello, guys. And first of all, I have a question for everyone. Please, while I will be presenting the tasks for next 2 weeks, please put your opinion in the chat about the last one. Is it was useful for you? Is it was hard, or it's absolutely what you need to collect all your knowledge in one place. So please share your opinion and let's move on. First of all, for next 2 weeks, you have the let's say final assignments, and first of all, it's self-introduction. What it is? Self-introduction is a 3 or 5 minutes video in the YouTube where you present yourself, and here you can read information a bit to help you prepare the speech. And after you upload this video, you have several options. You can make this video private, means unlisted. This way, only by the link, uh, anyone can watch your presentation, your self-introduction. But in case you would like share it for your audience, please feel free to do it. Also, you need to create the MD file with your speech and basic information from the video, and create a repository and deploy your page. Here you can see information that it should be private school repository, but if you would like to use your own private repository, please feel free to do it. And finally, you should submit the task for cross-check. And please, guys, in case of cross-check, keep in mind that you can do it at the very beginning. I mean, submit task for cross-check and proceed working on this task. This way, you will not miss the deadline. It's kind of hint for you. And finally, here you can see several links with the presentation of our students. Some of them amazing, and someone with cutest humor. Please feel free. What about yourself presentation? What kind of will be your presentation? It's absolutely up to you. And also, there are several self-introduction from the internet, not from our student, but we guess it's worth to look at. And that's all related to current task. Let's move on. The next one is the final part of Coffee House. Last weeks we got a lot of interesting ideas related to improvement of our task, and as you know, some of features were missed. Not just because designer or our team forgot about something. It was our aim to miss some interesting parts, and we got messages that it would be nice to add this feature or this feature, and now you have this possibility to add any feature you would like. It might be changes of layout. It might be integration some tool or technology. You can improve code, make it stronger, create CI/CD pipeline. You can create or you can migrate your application to React, Angular, Vue, any technology you would like. And you can add any changes to the backend. So you should just fork repository and add any changes you would like. You can work with the performance, add localization and support in several languages. Add simulation of payment, create admin dashboard, and so on. Anything you would like to add, please feel free. But just let's say a kind of agreement. If you add one icon, it's not a changes. It's these changes should have some idea, because after completing this task, you will present your changes to possible future mentor, and you should explain why you added something, what improvement you did, and so on. So any changes should be logical, not just I can add one more button and okay, that's all. So please do it. And I hope your imagination will work on 100%. And finally, the last one. It's the main task why we working last 2 months. It's first interview to the short track. Here you can find a list with the main topics that should help you to be prepared for this interview. It's not a question, it's not a task, it's just topic. You should go through all these themes and verify whether I know something about this theme. If I got the question from, let's say, about primitive, can I names all of them? And can I I forgot the word. Can I explain the difference between primitives and objects? And so on. If your answer is yes, I know, let's move on. In case you have any doubt related to this topic, please spend some time to read information or read some articles, watch videos to fill all gaps and be prepared for the interview. From my point, I suggest you to organize small groups, 2 or 3 people, and make kind of mock interview between each other, because it helps you to verify your strength, your knowledge, where you have gap or what topics is your strengths, and help other student to be prepared. But it's just recommendation, it's just proposal, and if you would like to prepare for this interview individually without any help, please feel free. But just according my experience, I guess that preparation in small group is the most effective, and I guess it will help for everyone. But please, up to you. And that's all. And you should add yourself to the list for the interview, and keep in mind that first 10-15 minutes you will spend presenting your final task, I mean creative extension, and all after that you proceed with the interview with the mentors from short track. And after that, based on the mark of this interview, you will know the final result, whether you join the short track or you should try next time. And that's all from my side. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to write it.
Thank you, Anna, for presenting this task. Thank you, Yulia, for preparing this final task. And let's move on to our usual part of our streams is a Q&A session. And yeah, let's start from the it is not a question, it's just a comment regarding our previous task from Logic Coffee. Yeah, he or she is new to TypeScript, but last 2 weeks was almost challenging for this person, but he or she enjoyed. Yeah, it's great to hear that. Okay, next question from Vasilisa. Can we use JS course presentation and link to RSchool JS course repo?
Yeah, it's about self-introduction from general course. You can use it. Use this link.
But I recommend you to create a new presentation because since that course has finished some times ago, I believe that you gain new skills, at least new presentation skills. So, and you can improve your presentation. It's just my little suggestion for you. But in general, yeah, you can. Yeah. Next question is about our task that Anna has presented. Yeah, is it allowed to change some functionalities and styles? And next one, or can we use Tailwind CSS?
Okay, let me
yeah, please go ahead.
Anything you would like to do with this application, you allowed to do. Add Tailwind, add change functionality, change styles, add frameworks, anything you allowed to do or what you want. But only one criteria. These changes should be for improvement, not changes, just changes. I don't like red color, let it be blue. No, it's have no any sense. But if you know why you would like to change functionality, add styles, please do it.
Yeah, and you have only one limitation is your time. 2 weeks, 2 weeks time limitation.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had in my experience such case when I was a student. There was a task to create a game on React, and I decided to create amazing game, something like Space Invaders, famous arcade game. But I missed all my time for creating that, and I had to create a new one game, simple, but yeah, I had only one evening, but Yeah, I did the task. Okay, and yeah, if I choose to rebuild it with React, do the libraries allowed?
Everything is allowed.
Yeah, everything. Yeah. It might be that interview will be offline.
Yep, it's possible in case, if I'm not mistaken, for Uzbekistan. We discussed that they prefer to have offline interview, but in case you and a mentor in the same city, it's possible. Yep.
In the last stream in Krakow, Wrocław, in Warsaw, was interview offline too. Not all, but some interview was offline.
Okay. Next question. The interview part, each question will be asked. And do mentor will want us to live coding?
Sure.
Yeah. And yeah, we prepared a list of the topics for you. And as I remember, there is a list of how to say not exact how to say English. Yeah. In this list, we have a list of the task, but it also up to mentor. Some mentors like to ask their own practical task for live coding. And next question from Uran. Hi all. So, do you mean that we can continue this coffee bar task or start a new one? Yeah, you can continue. In general, it depends on your free time. Anna, what do you think? Do we have
You can use
limitation?
previous code, previous task. So you can create the new branch from this one and proceed working with the same code base. Or in case you would like to migrate to some framework or library, I don't know, depends on your wishes. You can start from the scratch, but using some cool technology or migrate this one. It's absolutely up to you.
What about GitHub repository requirement? Do they have use old one or can create a new?
Considering the task will be presented to the mentor, it doesn't matter. So it's also up to our student, because there is no cross check or any other checks except of mentors, but mentors checks will be during the interview, and you will present not only functionality but share some codes, some code from your code base. That's why the main idea, only you should have access to your code and your UI. That's why we have no any restriction related to branches.
Thank you very much. Next question. Should it be enough for this task to migrate the current project to React.js? I believe yes, but this task created for you, it's I mean, you have an ability to show your skills. To show your skills, your code skills, your design skills, and so on. It will be enough to finish task, but I suggest you to do as much as is possible. And last one for now. Last one question for now. For migrate to React, do we have to write TypeScript? There is no such requirements in this final task, but since TypeScript is required worldwide, I suggest you to do it. So, guys,
To summarize, if you are going to ask anything related, is it allowed to do something? Yes, it's allowed. But only one restriction, it should have some idea, some improvements, some benefits for your application. Migration to any technologies, it's a huge changes. So yes, it's enough. Reorganization of backend, it's also huge changes. So it's enough for this task. Any changes you can ask. Yes, it's allowed. Please feel free to do anything with this application that you want.
Yeah, but this is a chance to show you your skills, your abilities. So if you have enough time, if you already finished migrating from React or something, and you have enough time, you can improve other parts of the application. You can add a new feature. So it just like how to say, yeah, it's a chance to show how cool are you. So now please go ahead. And one more question. What about who can continue to the next task? All of us, or is there a list who can mean election? Election?
I guess this is a question related to student who will be expelled due to, I don't know, any case like cheating, missing task, and so on. Let's say, I don't know, but you can proceed doing this task. It's at least help you to improve your skills, but the student who missed previous task, who knows that used cheating and so on, should be aware that he or she might be expelled.
Yeah, guys, and please don't forget that previous task isn't finished yet, and you have to perform a cross-check. You have 4 days for it.
Good catch.
Okay, guys. Seems we already finished answered all question, but yeah, this is pretty simple task for presenting. So there are no many questions. So I believe that guys, you will show us your best sides, your best skills, your best abilities, and good luck, and see you next time.
Wish you good luck and switch on your imagination. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Yeah, one more question. I saw an API URL for user profile.
Everything is working if it's in the Swagger.
Okay, thank you. So, guys, see you next time. Thank you, our coordinators, for presenting, for creating this task, and yeah, see you.
See you. Bye-bye.